What's up, fellas? It's Tex Choice Tools coming at you for a YouTube that we haven't done in a real long time, and it's Matt, Drew, and Connor right here. We're here to show you some of the promotions, and we're here to tell you about some real secret stuff, so you want to stay tuned right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Tex Choice. Guys, we're so excited to be here. We actually got some new lighting. We got a camera we're shooting this on, so let us know in the comments if you think the quality of the video is a little bit better. We got some exciting stuff to tell you because we got some stuff that hadn't even been released yet, but we want to get right into the promotions and go straight to the meat and not take up your time. So guys, we have never done a saw on our video because we sell automotive tools. We don't sell construction tools, but this is the 7 1/4 saw that only weighs 8.8 pounds from Milwaukee. This is the one all the contractors use because it is a powerhouse. So there's a bunch of specs on it that I could go over. I know that it turns 5,800 RPMs. It's pretty light. It also goes to a 45-degree angle. I think I also read that it has a 2.5 depth cut at a 90-degree angle, so that's pretty nice. But I want to tell you right here, because I don't want to bore you, this is an 8.0 battery, guys. You're going to get an 8.0 battery absolutely free just for purchasing this. It actually has a vacuum accessory on this too. If you want to hook this to your saw and you want to hook this up in your shop, not blow sawdust everywhere, you can buy this right here from us for $305. Guys, this is like a $200 battery.
Oh, yeah.
$200 battery just for buying this saw. I think this saw is somewhere at like Home Depot or something for $249, but we're selling you the tool and the battery for $305.95 shipped to your house. By the way, you're not going to pay tax and shipping on that if you're out of the state of Tennessee. So Drew has a crazy promotion on this 1/2-inch drive impact. There's a couple little breakups, and I'll let him tell you all about it.
Alright guys, this is the long-awaited, from the end of last year, the new 1/2-inch gun, the 1,600 foot-pound gun. I know we've been selling a lot on the truck, trading in a bunch of old ones, but you guys already know all the specs on the new gun. This combo kit's going to come with 2 batteries, a charger, a case, and this 1/2-inch drive socket set.
That's a pretty freaking good deal.
I think that's a 29-piece. It's the pack-out 29-piece metric standard socket set. Comes with your extensions, everything in there, bad to the bone.
For the low cost of $4.99.
$4.99. We sold a bunch of these already online. For right at the end of last year, we started selling these online. We got the deal early, and we blew through these. Y'all loved this deal, and we brought it back before we run out of them again. So if y'all want one of these, you should pick it up on the website at texchoicetools.com. But that's a smoking deal. And if you don't want the kit option, you can also get it for how much, Drew?
What are we doing? The gun with a
5.0 chemical
battery
resistant
for
$299.
Yeah.
So it's everywhere else is $299 online. You look at the other Orange Store, anywhere online, and it's going to be $299 for just the tool.
the gun.
But we're throwing in a $165 5.0 chemical resistant battery with it as well. To keep it rolling into that, let's talk about something new though, since we just got done talking about the brand new 1/2-inch impact. There's a new release that came out Monday. We're releasing this video on Thursday, but we shot this Tuesday. That was a lot of confusing information. But so on Monday, they finally released, everybody's been talking about this. We're going to pop up a picture of it on the screen right now. It's the M18 18-inch job site fan. So this fan, we all know and love the M18 fan. Everyone prefers that one over anything else. But this one, I saw some features on it. I was like, that's going to replace the M18 fan we all know and love already.
The old fan blows at 18 miles an hour. What do you think the new fan's going to blow?
This one, I can tell you what it blows at. It blows at 13.5 miles per hour, so it's a little bit slower, but you're getting a lot more area. Your volume, you're getting a lot more. It does have a brushless motor in it. They did take some of the M12 features off of the M12 fan and put it on this fan, so it's a 360-degree rotation, just like the other one. But the cool thing I kind of thought was cool was the way they designed it. So if you're carrying on a job site, you have multiple in a shop, whatever, they're stackable. So they all interlock together and lock in. So you can throw 5 of them on top of each other, throw it in the back of your pickup truck, drive, and then put it on. I think that, I don't know really how it works. It just says they're interlockable and it locks on. There is an AC power port on it. That's a big thing for guys. So if you don't even want to have the battery capability, well, it's just plug in an extension cord to it, and that's going to work too. We do have those for pre-order on our website already for $249. They're supposed to be here the end of February. It's probably going to be more like the middle of March because
Milwaukee's never telling the truth.
Yeah, I mean, we've been waiting on Insider Bear Tools for how long, Matt?
Since June. Well, we ordered them in June. We've been waiting on them forever. And we've been waiting on SAE sockets on the inside of ratchet too. But we do have covers, and we got extra pieces if you lose a 10 or a 12 or something.
Exactly.
Yeah, we're winning on that deal.
But I'm going to go into this deal, and then we're going to talk about the top secret thing that nobody really is supposed to know about that we do know about. So, Drew talked about the half-inch impact. And if you don't want a half-inch, you already have it. Well, we have a deal on the 3/8 impact too. So you buy the 2960-22 kit. This is the 600 foot-pound mid-torque. You get 2 5.0 chemical resistant batteries. You're going to get a charger. You're getting this nice hard carry case for $439.
With the socket.
But you get a free 49667009 3/8 measured standard, deep and standard.
He's had all day to memorize this.
No, I just know this part because I've sold 1,000 of these things.
I don't know if we sold 1,000, man. You know, there's somebody always out there that says they sell 1,000 of them. We probably sold
our table needs to be
close to 200, I would say. Where 200 is a realistic number.
I'm saying the whole.
Oh yeah.
All around, not just this kit. We sold 1,000, but all around we've sold the crap out of these. This is one of our first biggest videos we did on TikTok.
Yeah.
This and the chrome sockets that we sold a crap ton. When Matt was sitting at his kitchen counter calling every customer.
Yeah.
All
back in the old days.
Yeah, 14 hours of phone calls. But yeah, you get this metric standard set. This is a $130 set you're going to get for free. If you buy the kit for $439, that's too expensive for you. You can buy just the bare tool, $249, but we'll give you the 5.0 chemical resistant battery with it, just like we are with the half-inch.
That's crazy. That's a really good deal.
That's
a 600 foot-pound gun, guys.
And online, don't these normally go for like $269-ish?
Something like that.
Some places do $269, some do $249, but either way, we're the lower price, and you get free batteries.
I have a 2500 Dodge truck. I don't even use my half-inch. I use my 3/8 to take lug nuts off. That's how bad the bone it is. So, a lot of crazy promotions, guys. If you're not catching us on YouTube, we have a real big following on TikTok and on Instagram. We literally post something just about every day, and we're trying to be on top of everything that is coming out Milwaukee that's brand new. We're trying to bring you the most latest reveal of everything that's coming out. And actually, this next thing that we're going to talk about,
there's a U.S. patent out, so there's a guy who does tool leaks and everything. He searches the U.S. patent page. I don't remember what the video was, but appreciate that guy for pulling it up because he lists all the U.S. patents. But Milwaukee has a U.S. patent for a lot of tools, interesting tools, solar panel tools, all this random stuff. But the tool we're talking about is a little closer to home for the three of us because we know the guy who created it pretty well. It's the Milwaukee, they're calling it a chisel hammer.
We call it a power hammer, but we'll call it, it's basically your air hammer, but it's going to run off of a battery.
Exactly. I mean, we have a product image that's going to pop up on the page right now that shows the drawing of it. They don't have it an actual official release. It's just a SketchUp, but it has all the, if you want more information on it, go look it up. It's just like any other air hammer you see. It's not probably going to be as powerful as like the big boy, like the heavy duty ones.
Not as powerful as an air cat, Matt McKechnie, if you're watching this. A 5258-T, that's a bad, bad to the bone air hammer. Yeah, whack. Yeah. So, but anyway, guys, yeah, a lot of new stuff coming out. Like I said, if you're wanting some more of our deals and you're finding our YouTube to be boring, we're kind of working it out. You can kind of tell us what we're doing right, what we're doing wrong in the comments. If you like it.
Thank you for watching this video. Unfortunately, we got done with the video and I was editing it and we realized the last 2.5 minutes of the video were cut off. So guys, the last 2.5 minutes we didn't really talk about anything important. We were just going back and forth and did an overview of all the stuff that we already talked about in the video. But if you want to buy any of these deals, you can make sure you can buy these at textchoicetools.com. The best way for you to support us as a creator is to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you like the video, and make sure you comment on the video. We would really appreciate that. That would help us grow and to make us know that y'all like these videos, so we'll keep doing them. Last but not least, if you don't follow us on our other social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, our biggest one, you can follow us there. At the end of the video, it's going to show everywhere our socials are, so go make sure you follow those as well. And guys, if you need anything else, make sure to reach us out by phone number or you can shoot us an email. We appreciate everything y'all have done for us, and we're going to keep shooting these videos for y'all. Y'all have a great rest of the day.